Hello, everyone. Welcome to our special Mother's Day podcast. This is our third consecutive year of the podcast, and this year our theme is She, the story behind the strength. And speaking of strength, we have two amazing, strong ladies and mothers with us. Meet Miss Kriti Mahajan and Miss Siddhatri Sharma. So, ma'am, for somebody जो आपको नहीं जानता है, जिनके लिए आप एकदम unknown हो, can you please give your introduction?
Sure, why not? All right. Hi, Akriti. My name is Kriti Mahajan. I am a teacher by profession, and I have a daughter. Her name is Dhwani Gupta, and she's in Smart Step School, Udhampur, and she's enjoying her schooling as well. I am also enjoying. Apart from that, I love reading. I love listening to music, and that's all about me.
Okay, you, ma'am.
Hi, Akriti. First of all, thank you so much for inviting us here.
You're welcome.
And I'm Siddhatri. I'm a mother. I am handling a government desk. I live in Udhampur only, here in Adarsh Colony, and I have a son. He's Trayak. She's 3.5 years old in your school only. And just navigating my way through motherhood these days. That's all about it. I love dancing. I am a fitness enthusiast. I love reading books. That's pretty much about it.
Okay, so I believe before becoming mothers, you were two amazing, beautiful girls, right?
True.
So
In heart, we still are.
you still are, but now you are a woman,
Yeah.
a very strong woman, I
Very
would
strong
say. So, as a girl, like before becoming a mother, describe yourself in one sentence if you can.
A carefree, independent girl who loves to sing, keeps singing throughout the day.
I've seen your videos, I'm sure.
Thank you.
And you, ma'am?
Describing motherhood is quite difficult for me, but I have that type A personality that I have to do everything right. So um, before navigating everything, first 5 6 months I was trying to do everything right, but I was struggling a lot actually. But then now I think it has become easy for me. I have found my ways in certain situations. I am trying to let things go and just not care about few things. Sometimes, some days, but sometimes it is difficult. My that type A personality switches on, and I'm again on my tiptoes. But yeah, again, every day it's different challenge navigating my way through it. Still, abhi tak I'm not able to figure out the motherhood
Life is a
completely.
journey, I
Yeah,
think. You
exactly.
keep on learning. जितना भी
Right,
life
right.
चलता है, कुछ रोज
And
कुछ नया मिलता है.
as they are growing, every day it is a different story. They are growing and
Very
it's
true.
different. Every other day, every night is different. They're falling sick, they are getting better, and again it's different. They were not, they're not the ones
The
they were.
same.
Because I'm now at this time, I'm just handling that. Treya, my son, he's never behaved this way. It's a new person for me. So
Oh
that's
my
why
God,
it's
really?
yeah. He wants his mama all the time. He's not even letting me go use the washroom. अभी मैं कैसे भाग के आई हूँ? I know.
अच्छा अच्छा
छुप के आई हूँ.
mommy boy.
हाँ, अभी he was not like that before.
अच्छा after big up maybe he was sick,
अभी
right?
he was sick for 1 week. He was very ill. अभी उसको लग रहा है कि बस मम्मा is the savior. मम्मा will always
अच्छा जैसे
save me.
बिफोर बिकमिंग अ मदर लाइक इफ यू वुड आस्क मी तो मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों को देखती हूँ और उनकी मदर्स को देखती हूँ एंड मेरा एक ना ओपिनियन रहता है कि जब मेरा होगा ना तो मैंने ऐसा नहीं करना है या मैं ऐसा करूँगी यू ऑलवेज हैव दिस सो एंड सो ओपिनियंस तो बिफोर बिकमिंग अ मदर आपको ऐसा मतलब क्या लगा था कि मैं ऐसी वाली मदर बनूंगी या फिर मैं ऐसा ऐसा करने वाली हूँ एंड व्हाट डिड यू एक्सपेक्ट एंड रियलिटी में ऐसा क्या ही मिला आपको लाइक क्या मिला
All right. So before becoming a mother, I had my nephews and nieces at my home. So I used to love them so much. And I was like, when I'll have a child, I will never let my child watch any type of screen. This was my main, focused area. So I used to think, मेरा बच्चा कभी स्क्रीन नहीं देखेगा कभी भी नहीं दिस इज माई मेन मोटो ऑफ लाइफ
व्हाट्स हैपनिंग नाउ
Yes.
now it's a
That is the
totally
more interesting part.
different story altogether. And she just loves enjoying reels, scrolling
okay,
non-stop. She is very active. Mama YouTube. Mama YouTube.
And what about you?
Uh, I have experience of raising my brother. Me and my brother has 8 years
Oh,
gap.
okay, okay.
So I used to play with him. I used to teach him till 12th standard. I used to teach him, and बाकी तो और बच्चों से मेरा इतना कुछ interaction नहीं हुआ है. But when I had 3 years, I knew for sure that I'm not giving him screen. I'm not giving him screen. Just 40 minutes of a day, he's watching some YouTube tutorials of phonics, or he loves stories. These days he loves Hiranyakashipu and Prahlad stories. ये ancient जो mythological stories हैं,
Okay,
he's
very
loving those stories.
nice.
So you ask him about anybody, Ram, Sita, Ravan, Hiranyakashipu. He knows Hiranyakaship's brother, Hiranyaksh, Vishnu के अवतार.
Wow.
He's very interested in all this. So इस चक्कर में I give him 40 minutes का screen
Screen
time.
time, which
But again,
is
phone is out of reach. No questions. That I knew for sure. I knew for sure that I have to give my 100%. I'm giving. I have that थोड़ा सा वो type A वाला.
Every mother I think gives 100%.
Yeah.
लेकिन सबका अपना अलग होता है
Yeah.
100%.
yes.
Everybody
True.
has their
True,
own.
true,
Because
true.
है ना?
Correct.
But again, technology, screen शायद जरूरी भी तो है कुछ टाइम पे बच्चों
बिल्कुल,
के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
What do you think about
बिल्कुल.
it?
Say this is a technology driven era. We cannot, completely tell our child कि आप screen से दूर रहो. They will tell why mama you are also using, papa's also using, so why should we stop them? We should I would personally say कि हमें screen time limited ही रखना चाहिए, which is good for their eye health and everything. Apart from that, if the child is watching some good educational content or YouTube kids or kids content, that is completely fine, but not more than 1 hour or more than that. Exactly.
टेक्नोलॉजी अगेन अच्छा है बट बहुत हद तक मुझे लगता है कि बुरा भी है आजकल वी हैव सीन स्पेशल किड्स स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन
Yes,
एंड
this
बहुत सारी ये
is
देन टेक्नोलॉजी की भी है बिकॉज स्ट्रेट 8 8 10 10 hours they are
yes.
using
Kids are addicted to
screen.
screens.
Actually,
Yes,
I've seen kids like that.
yes,
8-10
yes.
hours screen
8 10
time.
hours straight screen time.
But this
Either it's a
is
phone or it's a TV or it is something but straight screen time. तो वो
this is
वाला
a
भी जितना तो
huge.
बैलेंस आई थिंक बैलेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Creating a world which is fully screenless is very difficult.
Very
It
difficult.
is not possible, I think. But हाँ, कुछ चीज़ें लिमिट में रहे तो ही सही है. Excess of everything is bad.
Fair, very
Yes.
good. So speaking of balance, you must have like you are working ladies. तो घर और जॉब और बच्चा ये बैलेंसिंग में कभी ऐसा इशू आया है या वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड आप लोग बड़े हैप्पी गो लकी निकल जाते हैं आराम आराम से
We are blessed, I would say, because we have full family support with us. I was previously also talking to Siddharthi and she told me कि full family support है, and same is the case with me. That's why a mother is able to pursue her dreams, to pursue what she wants to do in her life. Because if she's not having that kind of support, the family supports that's needed, she won't be able to even step out of the home. So, एक mother-in-law or father-in-law or a husband plays a vital role in the child's overall development, I would say.
Yeah, she's true. She's true. Family support, so like it is out of question. No questions asked. Family support is needed. It is required, and we should ask for help as well. Sometimes you're not able to. You should ask for help.
mothers can't do it
And
all
my
Yes.
in-laws are working. I have a babysitter. Touch
they
wood.
are also working everybody in home is working
Mother,
actually
father, grandmother, grandfather. Everybody is working. So I have a babysitter. Luckily, she's too good to be true. Actually, she's too good, and because of her only, I can pursue whatever I'm doing, and all thanks to her.
And I would give the entire credit to my husband. Hats off to my husband. I'm blessed to have him in my life. He's the one taking care of my daughter every time he's with her. And starting day, मतलब स्कूल डे 1 आई प्रिपेयर्ड हर, मैंने उसका यूनिफॉर्म रेडी किया, सब कुछ किया, एंड लेटर ही केम एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि बहुत खुश थी, शी enjoyed, and I was like really I missed that part. I had to leave for my school job, so I missed that part. That day 1 of school I had to be with her, but unfortunately I couldn't be. But he recorded all the moments, all the little happy things. She was so enjoying a lot with her teachers, gelled up properly. But later थोड़ा सा मम्मा नहीं जाना वाला phase आ गया. But now it's good. All
is there anything that you actually miss after becoming a mother कि रह गया maybe कुछ या टाइम ही नहीं मिल पा रहा है? Because I think you're 24 hours and mothers spend 27 hours for the child out of 24 hours.
Exactly.
Is there anything that you miss ki I can't find time for this maybe?
I used to think that I'll miss, but अगर सच बोलूँ तो I do not miss anything. In fact, I think after pregnancy and postpartum में ना every mother rebuilds herself
Exactly.
and she has to rebuild. You are not the same person anymore. If I talk about myself, and many mothers I think would relate it to, you're not the same person anymore. You are a much stronger version of that person, and वो इंसान कहीं जा चुका है. Suppose I used to think that I'll miss my alone time and free time, just bed पे पड़े रहो. But अगर अब मैं bed पे पड़ी हूँ या त्रियक्ष नानी घर है तो मुझे चैन नहीं आता है. मुझे ऐसा होता है कि यार what will I do now? अब क्या करूँ? चलो त्रियक्ष के पास चलता है. So I'll rush to him. वो I think वो आदत हो गई. We're used to this life now, or I don't know, but we are not the same person. A mother is not the same person anymore after she becomes a mother. If you agree with me, Kriti.
Strength, exactly, I totally agree with Siddhartri. The strength becomes double, responsibility doubled. But one thing, when you see that little innocent baby face, you forget about all the troubles in your life and you just see, we are blessed, we are so happy. फिर बच्चा शरारत करे जो भी करे, we mothers enjoy. Motherhood is beautiful beyond words, I would say.
So what do you think motherhood is easy for, like which kind of mother? The mother who is just living with her husband, like mother, father and the baby, or for somebody who is living with the in-laws, like a huge family?
It's a very
Which
controversial question. Because
which mother gets the easier way out?
See, firstly, okay, let
Continue.
please, you please.
It's a controversial question.
Yes,
Please
it is.
continue.
It
So
is.
sorry to interrupt.
It's a controversial question, but I personally believe that motherhood is not easy. It's equally challenging for both type of parents, those who are living single and those who are living with a support system, that is family, mother-in-law, father-in-law, or house help, that is mandatory nowadays. What I would say, motherhood should not be, seen as a, you know duty. It is, we are bound, we have to take care of the child. Being a mother, being a father, both have their responsibility with the child. If one of the अगर माँ या पापा में से कोई भी स्टेप बैक करेगा तब मम्मा के लिए डिफिकल्ट होगा. लेकिन अगर फादर भी इक्वल रोल प्ले कर रहा है, फादर भी, और आजकल के फादर्स, आई वुड से हैट्स ऑफ.
Do you really think Indian families में जो fathers हैं वो equal role play करते हैं?
Yes.
Indian, not just your Indian families, in general बात करेंगे.
See, this is again a controversial question. But see, as we all know, this Indian society is patriarchal. A little bit it is. Still, there are the stereotypical thinking वाले लोग. So yes, जिन ladies के साथ support system है, husband है, family है, they are strong enough, वो सारे challenges face कर लेती हैं. But those ladies who are still having that, उनकी family में वही thinking है कि नहीं, बच्चे की हर responsibility mother ही लेगी, mother ही सब काम करेगी, that creates
I think
more
mothers also
challenges.
have this nature when they become a mother.
Yes, we don't like
You know
it.
that the feeling it, I want to do everything
Everything
right,
for my
specifically for
child.
the first child.
Yeah.
Does
Yes,
it happen
yes.
like that कि मैं गलत तो नहीं कर रही हूँ अभी? Am I right?
And
और किसी के पास रखेंगे तो मे बी वो कुछ खिला तो नहीं देगा,
हाँ.
वो शायद
अब
फोन
तो
नहीं देगा.
There is so
Yes.
much information on media now. So everybody knows sugar नहीं देना है, salt नहीं देना है, ये नहीं देना है. दादू दादी गलती से दे दिए तो वो tension और anxious.
अलग.
And but the thing is, ये सुना ही होगा, it takes a village to
raise a child.
Raise a child.
Sure,
It
very
does. But I have seen cases जहाँ पे there is a village to support the child, but nobody steps in, and they want things according to them, not according to the mother. That is creating extra anxiety and pressure, mental health issues for the mother itself. And I have seen cases also jahan pe mother and father wholly solely are responsible for the kids. There's not a village, but they are handling it so well. They're rocking it, and they are going on trips, they're going on vacations, they are doing everything like whatever they want to do. So it I think it depends on the mentality of parents only.
Yes,
Majorly like
because
fathers
Majorly like
support
father support
fathers.
is
is
plays a
most
vital role,
important.
major
Those
role.
first 40 days, you need your partner only.
Yes.
Nobody can. Who will sleep with you at night? Your partner only, no. Who will be doing the nighttime parenting? If not mother, who is going to step up? Not the grandfather, not the grandmother, because they need their rest also, no. They're not at that age कि वो अपना रात का नींद sacrifice करके they're going to handle the baby. No. Then comes the role of father. That nighttime parenting, वो दूध बना देना या if like I still remember my husband was not here. He was posted somewhere else. So I used to get up, I used to change his diaper, I used to feed him, then he used to get to sleep. उसको सुलाने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता था. सोने के बाद आई यूज टू पंप मिल्क ताकि मैं भी थोड़ा सो सकूं. आई यूज टू पंप मिल्क, उसमें 1-1.5 घंटा लग जाता था. उतने में वो भी उठ रहा है एंड देन ही इज डूइंग हिज पॉटी सुसु सॉर्ट ऑफ. एंड 2 बजे मैं उठी हूँ और 6 बजे जाके आई एम गेटिंग टाइम टू फाइनली स्लीप इन. एंड अगेन 8:30 आई हैव टू गो फॉर ऑफिस. You know, so it was very 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 challenging. I couldn't go to my in-laws here, utho and please मेरी help करो. Still my mother-in-law used to come in the morning. She used to tell me कि तू सो जा 1-1.5 घंटा, मैं इसको देख लेती हूँ, while she was getting ready for her work. So again it's balancing और एक दिन निकालना है and that's it.
I would, one thing I would like to add here is, you know, if the child is living with grandparents, one important thing is they should not try to micromanage everything.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
they
yeah.
should
True.
not, they should not try to micromanage. No, do this, do that. They should not impose their, you know, opinions on us. Being a mother, we know the best for our child.
Definitely,
right? So
definitely.
whatever we are doing for the child is right.
Just trust her.
Let us be. Just trust the mother. She knows the
Trust the
best.
mother.
But it's also like the elders of the family, they say.
Yes.
बड़े वाले बोलते हैं कि इसको भी पता नहीं है, इसको भी पता नहीं है, हमने बहुत बच्चे पाले हैं,
Yeah, true.
हम देख लेंगे. But many a time mother has this, I think, gut feeling.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
And we
Maybe
as
उन्होंने
mothers,
10 बच्चे भी पाले होंगे, but वो बच्चा जो एक उस मदर का होता है, the mother has this gut feeling very strong. No, this is not right for my child.
yes.
Maybe कोई it's not harmful. A chocolate is not harmful, but a mother knows कि नहीं देना है. But then still बताना नहीं मम्मा को. It doesn't ever
These
happen.
things happen.
Don't tell
yes.
your mother about
In
it.
Indian
These things
households,
happen.
these things are very common.
Everywhere.
Even if a relative comes, they bring a lot of snacks, chocolates. Even if we try to avoid, but we can't confront them like that. Don't. So this is bound to happen.
Because I think we live in India.
Yes.
We are
They'll
supposed.
just make fun of you. आपके
Yeah.
मुंह पे क्या है?
ज़्यादा
हम
ही-
नहीं देते.
हाँ.
ज़्यादा ही बन रही है.
तुमने अलग बच्चे पाले
हमने
हैं.
नहीं खाए क्या?
तुझे ज़्यादा
हमने नहीं
पता
खाए
है.
क्या
हमारे
chocolates?
2 बच्चे हैं, हमें नहीं पता.
हमें नहीं पता. ये that's very true. So now you are mothers to maybe with a child. Before, what do you think? Which phase is difficult? Infancy or toddlerhood?
Toddlerhood. Infancy is the most beautiful phase, I would say.
Sleep deprivation is okay.
No, touch wood. My daughter, she never gave me a hard time. She's such a sweetheart. वो रात में आराम से सो जाती थी. I used to
Oh,
sleep with her.
blessed.
Yes. Girls are the best. And she never used to wake up. अभी बीच में yes once in a blue moon ऐसा होता था कि वो पूरी रात ही फिर उठी रहती थी. But she used to sleep properly. और हम भी आराम से me and my husband would sleep along with her. उसका sleep cycle अच्छा रहा overall. That is my personal experience.
And what's your experience? Infancy or toddlerhood?
Infancy was tough for me.
Was tough for you?
Yeah, because he didn't used to sleep at day. ठीक है. And night maybe he used to wake every 2 hours and I didn't have that night support. Everything I was managing alone, so it was really tough. अभी toddler में I don't know, because infancy was tough, so I made sure he was potty trained, susu trained. He eating on his own ताकि मुझे थोड़ा free time मिले. And he was doing it by, I think when he was 2 years old, he was potty susu trained, diaper free. He's eating on his own. So मुझे अब जाके थोड़ा ऐसे relax feel होता है कि I have to just cook, he'll eat. I have to just ask him कि सुसु तो नहीं आया, but he'll just go and he'll do his thing and he'll come out. So अभी I think this is a better time. That those first 6 months, first
Difficult.
3 months were
3 months.
very difficult. First 3 months were very difficult.
The sleep deprivation is actually major.
Not only sleep deprivation, you have hormonal changes.
Yes.
You are not able to relate to yourself. You don't know what to do. आप overnight mother बन गए हो. आप और एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है कि you know everything, you will do
Yes,
everything.
she will do everything. You know, there is a term, I was reading about it on Google as well. It is called mom brain.
Yeah.
Yes.
I-
And most of the people don't understand what is happening to her. Mom brain, I would like to, add
Please,
on.
please add on.
Mom brain means there is a part of our brain which shrinks, the part that tries to remember the facts and everything. Where are the keys? Where is everything? तो वो part shrink हो जाता है after becoming a mother. एंड वो पार्ट एक्टिवेट होता है जहाँ पे मदर को ये याद रहता है कि मेरे बच्चे को कब सुसु कराना है, कब पॉटी कराना है, कब उसका डायपर चेंज करना है, कब उसका मुझे उसको दूध पिलाना है. सो दीज थिंग्स बिकम द मदर बिकम्स मोर कनेक्टेड टू द चाइल्ड एंड टेंड्स टू फॉरगेट सो मेनी थिंग्स. और फिर लोगों को लगता है यार इसको तो ये छोटी सी बात भी याद नहीं रहती. बट दिस इज इट, दिस इज मॉम ब्रेन. पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड नाउ डेज. यार तुम इतनी छोटी सी बात भूल गई. यस वी डू फॉरगेट एज मदर्स, हमें भूल जाती हैं चीज़ें. सो
Even that's also research says कि when you're pregnant तो आपके सारे hormones rise up कर रहे होते हैं, है ना?
Exactly.
After first trimester you
estrogen
feel
is
so
on
happy.
peak.
After
Yeah,
first
yeah.
trimester you
Yes.
feel so happy. But then just the delivery is done, all the hormones crash at a super duper speed.
Exactly.
So for obvious reasons, you
Yes.
are supposed to have a mom brain, mood
Yes.
swings, not talking to anyone.
That those emotional outrages.
Emotion,
and
yeah.
Yes.
I remember I kept crying and crying. I didn't know what to do, but everybody is expecting from me, and I have to do it because I'm the mother. So
This is what postpartum depression is.
Yeah, is
It
this
is
true?
completely
Postpartum
real.
depression?
Yes, it
Yeah,
What
is.
do you
yes.
think about it?
All the ladies go through it. All the ladies, all the mothers,
And they don't even know about it.
They don't even know about it
because nobody is talking about it.
Yes, postpartum depression is real. All the mothers face a lot of challenges on their personal space, and I would say personal strength is what is required at that moment. और साथ ही साथ husband का support जितना
I
ज़्यादा.
believe if father is with the mother, तो postpartum depression बहुत हद तक
Reduce
हो सकता होगा.
वो anxiety.
अगर emotional support भी हो.
Right.
मदर मेल्स की जनरली इंडियन मेल्स को इतना इमोशनली आता नहीं है,
नहीं आता.
एक्सप्रेस करना भी कम आता है, इवन बॉयज ऑल्सो.
You know what? But when a boy becomes a father, अपने आप वो इमोशंस बाहर आते हैं मैम. और बहुत ही यू पर्सनली फील नहीं, ये इंसान कंप्लीटली चेंज हो चुका है एंड ही इज़ अ फादर नाउ. आई वुड सल्यूट टू माई हस्बैंड अगेन एंड अगेन बिकॉज ही इज़ जस्ट अ वंडरफुल मैन इन माई लाइफ.
तो व्हेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन, फादर्स का सपोर्ट हम बोलते हैं कि बहुत हद तक कम कर देती है उन चीज़ों को,
Yes.
है ना? बट अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू से कि वो इशू फादर्स का नहीं है, ये इंडिया का इशू है.
Yes.
इंडिया
पूरी
में
families का issue है.
इंडिया की फैमिलीज का इशू है विच नीड्स टू बी एड्रेस्ड एंड चेंज्ड एज वेल,
You
राइट?
know what? एक बच्चा छोटा सा बेबी, मम्मा उसकी टेक केयर कर रही है और साइड में उसके पापा सो रहे हैं. दैट वुड गिव अ टफ टाइम टू द मदर. वो देखेगी भाई मेरा हस्बैंड आराम से सोया हुआ, आई एम हैंडलिंग द बेबी, डूइंग ईच एंड एवरी बिट ऑफ थिंग. सो वो थोड़ा सा दिक्कत वाली बात. बट दिस डिड नॉट हैपन विद मी एट ऑल. तो आई एम हैप्पी.
Stop saying this.
Every now and then I
It's
would
giving me a very hard time. Because I can only imagine myself sitting there on the bed with the baby. I can see my husband going out normally, coming home after having a good party out there. He's coming home. He's enjoying his sleep. He's going to the work next day. His life is normal. So इन्हीं बहुत एकदम से नहीं हुआ, बट वो प्रोसेस ऐसा हुआ कि आई यूज टू थिंक यार मेरी ही लाइफ चेंज हुई है, मेरा ही सारा 100% गिव एंड टेक है, सिर्फ मुझे ही करना है. व्हाट इज दिस? दैट गिव मी लाइक रियलिटी चेक सॉर्ट ऑफ समथिंग कि यार ये अब व्हाट टू डू. आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग विद मी. फिर देन आई स्टार्टेड टू थिंक नाउ आई थिंक इट इज हैपनिंग फॉर मी. I need to rebuild. I need to switch from
And
there.
you really
I
did.
did. And I did. I started working on myself. I started reading books. I started taking myself out with my kid. चाहे walk पे ही जा रही हूँ, उसको stroller में डाल के जा रही हूँ, but कहीं भी जा रही हूँ, but I started working on myself instead
Very
of
important,
sitting and crying and fighting.
Yes.
I did try to fight and try to make myself understand. Maybe शायद वो PPT चल रहा था. जो कि आपको नहीं पता चलता है, पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन का आपको नहीं पता चलता है, बिकॉज व्हेन आई रेड अबाउट इट सारे सिम्टम्स यही थे दैट यू कीप क्राइंग, यू डोंट वांट टू टॉक, and if you start talking you have just teary eyes,
And you have like
Yes.
burden on
and
yourself
yeah,
all the
you're not able to
times.
connect to your child sometimes you look at him and you're like कि,
अब
what
what next?
like
मैं
what
कैसे
next, मैं क्या
करूँगी?
करूँ.
This
Those first 6
emotional
months
phase
was
is
very
yes.
But again, to actually birth a child and go through a hormonal crash, crying with everything, and now that you have raised a very beautiful child, he is actually very nice, beautiful, and we definitely know him. And your story is inspiration to all the ladies out here.
Yes,
आई
I've seen her
एक्चुअली
fitness
वॉन्ट
story. Yes,
कि इंडिया में
great.
क्योंकि बहुत लेडीज ऐसी रहती हैं जिनको शायद फैमिली का या हस्बैंड का, फैमिली का इशू नहीं है इतना, फैमिली का सपोर्ट हो या नहीं हो डजंट मैटर, हस्बैंड का सपोर्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हस्बैंड का इतना सपोर्ट ना
Husband
हो
का
एंड
support
देन
is
द
very important.
फीमेल इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग.
Husband ka support is very important, and you have to switch your mind. It is not happening to you, it is happening for you.
For you.
I read this line actually and it stuck with me, that what if this is not happening to you, what if this is happening for you. It just stuck with me and I kept thinking about it. Yes Siddharth, it is happening for me, I'll have to do something and rebuild yourself. यार क्या करना है, बच्चा है, पालना है, जिम्मेदारी लिए 100% मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. I'll take it with pride, I'll take it with honor and give it a go, give it a shot. करते गए, चलते गए, and then I started creating content कि I should try and talk and connect with other mothers as well.
एंड आई फॉलो यू, इट्स वेरी गुड.
I know. Thank you. I
इट्स वेरी
know.
नाइस. तो मतलब लाइक मदरहुड वाज ऑलवेज द प्लान या फिर just it just happened with you?
It just happened. Motherhood.
या देखो, यहाँ इंडिया में शादी तो आप नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते कि आपने शादी की और बच्चा नहीं किया. यू नो इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड.
It's a plan. I
एक दो साल के बाद तो एवरीबडी स्टार्ट्स प्रेशराइजिंग यू, बच्चा बच्चा बच्चा, गुड न्यूज, क्या कर रही हो, ये वो दिस एंड दैट. अभी बच्चा 3 साल का हुआ भी नहीं है, अभी दूसरा.
Yes, this is very traumatic.
यार
दूसरा
नहीं.
let the first child grow. Let the first child, be a little independent.
Have you ever heard this line? तुम कर लो, हम संभाल लेंगे.
Yes,
It's a universal
this is the
universal dialogue of every in-laws or every maternal parents.
Indian
also.
parents,
Indian
they do
parents
say
also.
these
तुम
things.
कर लो, हम संभाल लेंगे.
हम संभाल लेंगे. And then where are you?
तो आपने जब किया तो कितनों ने संभाला?
अरे
मदर जो होती है, वन मैन आर्मी होती है भाई. वो पूरा बच्चा भी संभालेगी, घर भी संभालेगी, हस्बैंड भी संभालेगी, सब संभालेगी. तो यस, फैमिली सपोर्ट होता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स यू आर अलोन विद द बेबी, विद द चाइल्ड. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग.
as she said, you have to take care of each and everything. But उस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, लोग अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं.
Yes,
They stop taking
mothers.
care of themselves.
Mothers forget themselves.
This
I
is
think.
They do.
not good. This is not good. What are they giving to their child? Just again वही husbands वाली बात होगी. अब मेरे husband ने या मेजरली हस्बैंड्स ने क्या देखा है, मदर्स को सैक्रिफाइस करते हुए देखा है, एंड दे एक्सपेक्ट सेम फ्रॉम देयर पार्टनर्स एज वेल. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. इट इज अ लूप. एवरीबडी इज फॉलोइंग इन द लूप. You have to get out of this loop, and not only the mother, the father also has to get out of this loop. That mother is not to sacrifice. यार, mother has to work for herself. Career है, सब है, अच्छा है, but अपना health भी ध्यान में देना है.
Yes.
You know, but recently I met a male, like he was a friend of mine, and that person actually said it very clear and loud. या तो बच्चा देखा जाता है या फिर करियर देखा जाता है, दोनों इकट्ठे होता नहीं है. And I was literally like giving him a blank stare.
You said this. I have a colleague. He told me, यार उसको शादी करनी थी. He was looking for a girl. He told me, मैंने पूछा उसको, आपको कैसी लड़की चाहिए? He said, यार देख सिद्धात्री, तेरी जैसी जॉब वाली नहीं चाहिए मुझे. या तो बच्चा देख सकती है तू, या तो तू जॉब कर सकती. It hit me. He said this on my face. देख, या तो तू बच्चा देख सकती है, या तो तू जॉब कर सकती है. मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, his wife was standing right in front of me, and I just look at her face. I'm like, how must
Then
she
I
be
told him,
feeling?
I told him whatever his name was. I told him you can't even handle that. You should have those that spine to
Guts
handle
to
that.
handle that.
रीढ़ की हड्डी होगी तो handle कर सकते हो.
बहुत
That's
सारे
it.
Indian
It takes a
households में
strong
यही है.
man to handle a strong female.
Exactly.
Yes, it is.
If a male is not strong enough, I don't think he will be able to.
Then it's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare
it's a
for
nightmare.
both of them.
Yes. Yesterday I was watching a reel एंड वहाँ पे वो मदर, शी इज़ अ मदर, शी सेड, यू नो, बिफोर अ मदर, बिफोर एवरीथिंग, यू आर अ गर्ल, डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. आप उस गर्ल को मत भूलो जो आप पहले थे, उसके लिए जियो, उसको खुश रखो जो इसको मिरर में देख रहे हो, जो आप डेली अपने आप में इतना विश्वास रखो कि आप अपने आप की खुशी को कभी दबाओ मत. और yes, you have to live for the child, you have the equal responsibility, but don't forget yourself. That's the main thing. वो girl, वो little girl आज भी अपने अंदर जिंदा रखो.
Though it's very difficult
Yes,
to
it
stay,
is.
like
It
Indian
is.
families को अगर आप पास से
It is.
देखो
It is.
तो you get
Motherhood is difficult. It is beautiful.
Challenging
Everybody
it
talks
is.
about it. कितना सुंदर है,
Challenging.
कितना अच्छा है. But I think it's a real time to talk about the challenges, the depression, the crying, the mental pressure,
Because यहाँ
the
पे जब हम
hormonal changes, the partners, the family.
very
It's
true.
high time to talk about
Because
all this also.
here we always just listen. इससे beautiful feeling कोई नहीं है. It just happens like that. No, it does not happens like that. No.
No.
वो एक mother की पूरी health,
They say
life,
that children,
career सब
they say
तोड़
that
के.
kids will grow in a blink of eye. Try it. It will not happen. Yeah, you have
अरे
to
एक
do
साल
it
का हो
every
गया,
day.
2 साल का हो गया, ask the mother. उसको वो बताएगी कैसे हुआ
Yes.
1 साल का. Each and every experience is different for different mothers. हर person कहीं ना कहीं stressed है, छोटी छोटी बातों के लेके या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहे हैं, एवरीबडी गेट स्ट्रेस. मैं उसको सबसे पहली चीज़ यही बोलूँगी, बेटा तू हमेशा खुश रहना, कुछ भी हो जाए लाइफ में, बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि ऑफ कोर्स द लाइफ
Ups and
अप्स एंड
downs,
डाउन्स आएंगे,
yes.
बट आई वॉन्ट हर टू बी हैप्पी एंड इंडिपेंडेंट. बेटा मुझे पर्सनली ड्राइविंग नहीं आती. आई वॉन्ट माई डॉटर टू लर्न ईच एंड एवरी स्किल. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू सो मेनी रील्स जिसमें लड़कियां बोलती हैं ड्राइविंग नहीं आती तो सीख लो, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल, स्पेशली फॉर गर्ल्स. गर्ल्स, लेडीज, डू लर्न ड्राइविंग एंड आई एम श्योरली गोइंग टू लर्न ड्राइविंग आफ्टर दिस. बिकॉज मुझे इतना एक फील होता है, यार कृति तुझे क्यों डिपेंडेंट होना पड़ रहा है, भाई ड्रॉप कर दे, या इनको बोलती हूँ ड्रॉप कर दो, क्यों भाई, तो खुद सीख. सो आई विल लर्न डेफिनेटली at a later stage, not now maybe. And I want my daughter to be independent, smart, and strong, and courageous, and bold enough. This world is very cruel. This world, outer world, is very cruel. I want my daughter to be just like, bold, fierce, strong girl.
True,
You
very
should have the skill of making
Yes.
friends,
Yes.
skill of cooking, cleaning.
These are
skill
basic-
of
basic
living
things,
alone, finding peace in yourself. You don't always have to seek company.
Yes.
अपने में खुश
Be
रहना.
happy.
अगर ये सब चीज़ें मैं सिखा पाऊँ ना अगर तरक्ष को, आई विल बी लाइक सेटिस्फाइड कि वो अगर अपने में खुश है, ही इज एबल टू स्पीक फ्रीली, एक्सप्रेस हिज इमोशंस, सैडनेस ऑल्सो, हैप्पीनेस ऑल्सो, एक्सप्रेस हिमसेल्फ. एंड ही, अगर उसके पास ऐसा कुछ सपोर्ट सिस्टम हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, जो भी है, he should have one support, some family, in fact, girlfriend, wife, whosoever. But हाँ, अगर navigate करना है through the life, ups and downs तो आते रहेंगे, navigation is very important.
very true.
Falling down is not a choice. Never fall down. Just go and
Yes,
keep walking through
don't
it.
give up. That's the main mantra. मैं अपनी daughter को ये जरूर
अपने लिए भी
सिखाने
same ही apply
वाली हूँ.
करते
Yes,
हैं.
exactly, exactly.
I learned.
Don't give up.
Speaking of driving, I learned driving when I was pregnant.
Oh,
I got
really?
pregnant.
That is
Yeah.
great.
I got pregnant, and in February I got to know that I'm pregnant. February only because मैं सबको I was asking for यार सिखा दो. Nobody was taking out time. And then I thought कि चलो driving school. I got there. I did those 15 days course. Then कभी पापा की कार चला रही हूँ, कभी किसी के चला रही हूँ, फिर कभी ड्राइव करके ऑफिस. ड्राइवर आई वॉज गिवन ड्राइवर की ड्राइवर लेके जाएगा, बट आई यूज टू मेक ड्राइवर सीट कि चल उधर बैठ, आई ड्राइव. और इतना बड़ा पेट लेके आई एम ड्राइविंग.
My
Just
doctor
to
advised
learn
me
कि
not to go for these things, so that's why I stopped. But my husband always, sorry to interrupt you in
अरे
between.
no issues, no issues.
My husband always says, please learn driving, please.
Yeah.
I keep on delaying this thing, but now, girls, whosoever is watching, please learn driving. It's a basic life saving skill. एंड स्कूटी ऑल्सो, दोनों चीजें आनी चाहिए.
That's
Both you
riding and
should.
driving is same
Yes,
thing altogether.
exactly.
You should be able to go one
You know,
place to
freely.
another.
yes,
freely.
freely.
किसी को पूछना ना पड़े
And depend
और
ना
किसी
होना
को
पड़े.
बोलना ना पड़े कि छोड़कर आओ, ये
Yes,
करो वो करो,
yes,
बिकॉज
yes.
अभी भी हम लोग यहाँ पे इतना कॉमन नहीं है
नहीं है.
फीमेल्स का ड्राइविंग या
नहीं
कुछ
है,
भी.
नहीं
अभी
है,
भी इट्स
नहीं है.
we
अरे
have
इंडिया में it is still
it's
they
a-
see a woman driving, the woman, a woman. I've
No,
heard
I
this
don't
so many
understand.
times. Woman.
ask me
Yes, same here.
ask me.
I go to the office, वहाँ पे भी पूछ रहे हैं कि मैडम आप रोज लाते हो गाड़ी. ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है?
मेरे तो मजाक लेते हैं, मैं तो दिखती नहीं है गाड़ी में. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, चल रही है ना गाड़ी, टेंशन मत लो. पहुंचना चाहिए, वो
We
जरूरी
need
है.
to handle it boldly. Yes.
So as a mother, maybe because then I see both of you, मैं आपको बार बार सेम ही लाइन बोल रही हूँ कि I see very strong lady sitting in front of me, जो शायद आज मैं भी जब यहाँ से उठूंगी तो I am taking inspirations from you. तो when I talk about strong, bold ladies, आपको लगता है कि जब आप कोई bold step लेते हो अपने बच्चे के लिए या फिर अपने लिए, you face some kind of criticism या फिर बैकलैश, या ऐसे कोई बोल दे कि क्या ज़रूरत है ये सब करने की, क्यों करना है, दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ.
I think every female goes through this.
Yes.
कि कहीं ना कहीं
Every mother.
mothers especially कि क्या ज़रूरत है जॉब करने की, जब हम तो है ना घर पे, हैंडल कर तो रहे हैं सब कुछ. यू डोंट नीड टू गो एंड अर्न समथिंग, और वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट यू. सी, हर लेडी का पर्सनल चॉइस है वेदर शी वांट्स टू वर्क और नॉट, बट बीइंग अ फुल टाइम घर पे रहने वाली, यू नो, स्टे एट होम मॉम्स is a totally, you know, it takes a toll on your
Too
mental health.
challenging. It is too challenging.
Toll on your mental health.
I would say if
stay
you
at
can
home
hire a
mom
nanny.
बनना बहुत difficult है आज के टाइम
True,
पे
true,
यार.
true. If you can hire a nanny, please do.
Yes.
If you can hire a house help, please do. Go out, leave your child alone, give yourself some time. Please do. Those things are very important. उसके बाद ही आप घर आके बहुत ही fresh और energetic mom बन के अपने बच्चे के साथ time spend करोगे. You will have fun.
बट इन इंडियन होम्स आई थिंक बहुत सारे घरों में शायद अलाउड ही नहीं होता
Yes.
to have a
they
house
do not,
help.
They do not
Yes.
agree to have a house help. Even the husbands, they say, no, I would not have I would like to have a home cooked meal just by my wife, cooked by my wife. I won't have a meal cooked by the bai or something like that. So this is there.
I have a close friend, very close friend. जब से शादी हुई है, she was there out somewhere, not here, but now she has come back after delivery. Okay, her husband is also transferred here now. The cook has been removed.
Oh my God.
The maid has been removed just because वो आ गई है, वो करेगी. Would you believe
होता
this?
है,
Would you believe this?
ये हो रहा है.
She's supposed to do everything with a dupatta on.
Oh my god.
Okay, and that too, like they are specifically asking for a cotton dupatta which is not see-through.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
People
And-
like that still
yeah.
exist.
And when you were talking about it takes a village to raise a child, she was happy that I'm going back, so I'll have help. She's depressed now. She's one of my very, very close friends. My heart goes out to her. And yeah, this example I saw, I thought कि यार इससे अच्छा तो तुम वहीं रह लेते जहाँ थे. What are you doing? उसका कंडीशनिंग वैसा ही हो चुका है. शी इज लाइक ना, आई थिंक वो ठीक भी बोल रहा है, क्यों पैसे वेस्ट करने, मतलब इतना उसको ब्रेन वॉश,
mentally pressurized या brain wash कर दिया.
these things are also
While you are
happening.
speaking, I'm getting goosebumps.
Yes.
Yeah,
These are real stories.
she
ma'am.
is bound to do that. She's doing that. पहले it was like कि हफ्ते में एक बार करेंगे, क्या रोज सफाई करनी. अब it is like no, every alternate day she has to do. अभी तो आई थिंक कुछ देर के बाद तेल से कि अब रोज करो, अब बच्चा बड़ा हो गया रोज करो.
You never
She is
know.
not working, she is dependent on them. तो आई थिंक इंडिपेंडेंट होना भी बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है.
This is actually funny. We say we are dependent on, no, the mother is dependent on us. How is the mother dependent? We are dependent on the mothers for each and everything. They say mother जो है वो dependent है जी. If she is a stay at home
Yeah,
mom, वो dependent है.
exactly.
कैसे dependent है? हम मम्मा पे dependent है. मम्मा हमें खाना बना के दे रही है, मम्मा हमें हर चीज़ टाइम पे दे रही है, हमारे लिए हर छोटी चीज़ करी है. She is not, she is independent rather. It's funny, it's actually funny कि हम बोलते हैं कि वो dependent है, mom dependent है if she is not working or earning. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Stay at home moms, you are great. My big salute जो अभी work नहीं कर रही हैं या जो working moms नहीं हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They are doing a great job at raising that child. और
Of course they are, but do you think they get enough credit for that?
no, they don't.
जितना मतलब आई थिंक घर पे रहना बहुत मुश्किल काम है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
घर पे रहना इतना मुश्किल काम है कि यू गेट डिप्रेस्ड में आई गेट डिप्रेस्ड इन 2 days.
Everybody does.
समर वेकेशन भी 2 दिन में घर पे नहीं रह सकती. Either something or other thing is going
true,
on.
true.
But staying at home is very difficult.
It
So
is
for the
difficult.
mothers who have a child who stay at home like for a full day and do everybody's work, it's very difficult.
And not
I don't
just-
think.
not anything for herself.
And then वो एक लाइन सुन लेती है वो मदर, वो तो ना कुछ करती है अभी, वो घर पे ही तो होती है.
क्या ही करती है.
क्या ही
करते-
करती
क्या
है
ही
घर
क्या ही
पर.
कर देती है.
वो ही सब कुछ कर रही है. She is the backbone of the
I
home.
have made a
अगर
reel on
वो
this,
नहीं-
but I have not uploaded it yet. मुझे लग रहा है बहुत ही
Now
इस पे
do.
backlash हो जाएगा.
Now,
But I will
Yes.
do it. Yeah, I'll do it.
Yes, you
don't
must.
worry about the backlash. Strong ready होके
अभी
backlash
initial days I'm trying to be that good.
This
Good
society
Bhopali
is
influencer.
highly judgmental. I don't understand why do people judge mothers? Why do they do that?
People judge everything.
Yes.
And everybody.
Yes.
You are in a suit, you get judged. You are in jeans, you get judged as well. You work, you are being judged. You don't work, you are still being judged.
You know, I would want my country people, सब Indians को request है, please stop judging. You know, इतने judgmental होकर क्या मिलेगा? क्यों तुम किसी के dressing sense पे judge कर रहे हो? She wants to wear a short skirt, mini skirt. Let her wear. She wants to wear a suit. Let her wear. Let her wear whatever she wants to wear. Should not judge a girl on the dressing sense or the way she's carrying. वो उसकी strength है बाबा. तो क्यों उसको judge करना है?
And the sad part is in the disguise of संस्कृति वो ये बोल देते हैं ये हमारी संस्कृति है. You have to wear a suit. And फिर उस पे आप कुछ आंसर बैक करने के लिए कुछ होता ही नहीं है कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग. आप क्या बोलोगे?
हाँ, just this point came in my mind. ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਆਪੇ ਦੁਪੱਟਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਂਦੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਕੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਪੁੰਝਣਾ. मतलब if the mom is wearing a jeans or a top, अगर उसने ही आंचल नहीं दुपट्टा नहीं है तो how will she wipe the face of the child?
Baby wipes.
Baby
We have baby wipes.
yes. तो मतलब ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੁਪੱਟਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਂਦੀਆਂ
Purse
jeans
ਨਿਕਾਲਾ,
ਪਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ
ਖੋਲਾ,
ਐ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ
baby
ਉਹ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ.
wipes.
ਭਾਈ ਯਾਰ let them be themselves. Let a girl be a girl. Let a mom be a mom. Actually, a happy mom is a myth, I would say, in Indian typical societies.
Very true. I would totally agree with you. It was such an enriching conversation with you. सच्ची बताऊं, 1 घंटा हो गया पता ही नहीं चला हमें.
Exactly.
And I'm enjoying this
Actually,
conversation.
इतना मजा आया. Actually enjoyed it. तो before I conclude, एक छोटा सा rapid fire है आपके लिए. ठीक है? छोटा सा set of questions. I'd like you to be quick. Okay, and
we have a buzzer?
raw. No. Rapid fire is firstly for ma'am, then for you. Like it goes like that. Okay. So, you first. Quick, raw. First thought. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. Motherhood in one word.
Challenging.
Me time for you means
Dancing.
one thing society expects too much from mothers.
The way society sees a mother is problem. And motherhood is not a problem. Motherhood was never an issue. You have to navigate yourself. But the way society sees motherhood, that is
Societal
major issue.
expectation.
Yes, that is a major issue.
If motherhood had a warning label, what would it be?
A warning label. Neend gayab. I think that would be it for the first 6 months. Bhul jao.
Complete this sentence. Behind every strong mother is
A child.
one thing sons should learn from their mothers.
Patience, I think. Patience. Resilience.
One moment that made you feel proud as a mother.
There are so many moments, but he quickly grabs everything and he understands me. Like, if I'm sad, he'll understand me. He'll not say anything. He'll just come and he'll hug me. Mama, आपको किसी कर दूँ? Mama, आपको मैं hug कर लूँ? He'll just say those and it will melt my heart. and that makes me feel proud.
So
That
sweet.
and whenever I come home, he's happy, seeing his eyes twinkle. Mama, he's dancing at his own place. He's not coming to me, running to me. He's like, "अच्छा मैं तो नहीं आऊँगा, आप ही आओ." But I'm happy also. So every small things make you feel proud.
One thing you want to tell new mothers.
Take care of yourself. Please talk to yourself and take care of yourself.
One part of yourself you miss sometimes.
Uh, Putting on headphones and dancing whenever I want. That I miss. That is actually something I miss.
If mothers stop making sacrifices silently, will the families change for the better or for the worse?
It depends how family handles it, how family takes it. Sometimes you'll have to fight with your very own people. I had to fight with my very own people for joining the gym or starting content or doing few things on camera which they were skeptical about it. You'll have to fight. आपको 10,000 लोगों के साथ बैठ के एग्जाम दे के लड़ के झगड़ के उधर पहुंचना है. सो आप नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते कि ऐसे ही चलता जाएगा और हो जाएगा. फिर तो नॉर्मल ही रहेगा सब.
Very true.
But if you have to grab something, you'll have to fight for it and fight.
Thank you so much. It was
You're
so
welcome.
nice.
You're welcome, Akriti.
Next, Ms. Kriti, up to you. Okay, next. Complete this sentence. Motherhood is not just.
Motherhood is not just about the child, it's about the mother as well.
One thing society expects too much from the mothers.
To be with the child every time, it's not possible. Not every time a mother would be there, but yes,
Motherhood in one word.
challenging, equally challenging.
One thing daughters learn from their mothers.
I think daughters should learn how to be a good listener.
Yes. Great. One thing you would tell all the new parents over here.
All the new parents, please take care of the mommy. She has just given a birth to a child. So please take care. Everybody will ask, बच्चा कैसा है? How's the baby? How? नूनू चूनू मोनू. और मम्मा को भी देखो, please. She is the one. उसको भी. Baby is being handled very nicely. Mother is being left behind. Please don't leave the mother behind.
Very true. What is your happiest memory as a mother?
My happiest memory when my doctor said it's a girl. I was shout. I don't know how to express it. It's a girl. That was altogether, life-changing experience.
Protecting children or prepare them for the reality? What is more important?
Both. Protecting a child from the harsh, cruel world and prepare them for the ultimate reality. They'll have to face so many type of people in the world. So they must know how to tackle, how to handle your emotions very well and fight for it. If you think it's wrong, it's wrong. If you think it's right, it's right. Trust yourself.
What part of yourself you miss a lot?
One thing that I personally miss about myself is, I had ample amount of time reading books. I read so many books, so many fiction, non-fiction books. Now I don't have that much amount of time to read books. So yes, I want that little bit of me time for reading so many books that are still piled up on my desk, on my
I would
bench.
like to borrow some of them.
Sure, I'll give you.
We'll trade.
Yes.
What part of you changed the most when you became a mother?
I think I grew stronger. I became more patient than I was. Patience is what motherhood has actually really taught me. Patience. To be patient, Baba. बच्चों के साथ बहुत
Second option
ज़्यादा
क्या था?
patience.
उसके अलावा
Pardon?
सीखना ही पड़ता है patience.
Yes.
Exactly.
Second option क्या है?
It goes without asking, yaar.
Yes.
You want to sometimes hit, but
मैं तो बोलूँगी
Gentle
mothers
parenting.
patience की देवियाँ हैं.
then I think gentle parenting या gentle
Gentle parenting
doesn't work.
कुछ
It
नहीं
doesn't
होता
work.
बाबा.
It doesn't
आजकल के
work.
टाइम पे
Communication works.
Yes.
पूरा full fledged. I think that is why I'm enjoying toddlerhood also because मैं उसके साथ communicate कर रही हूँ खुल के उसको समझा रही हूँ कैसे भी करके तोड़ मड़ोड़ के जैसे भी उसको समझा रही हूँ और वो समझ भी रहा है फिर उसको समझ भी आ रहा है कि अच्छा he is exploring a new world ऐसा भी होता है वैसा भी होता है so that is why I'm enjoying motherhood. Infancy में तो आप क्या communicate करोगे आप खुद को नहीं समझा पा रहे होते हो बच्चे को क्या
आप खुद भी
बताओगे?
वैसे
खुद भी आप सीख ही रहे होते हो
Yes.
समझ रहे होते हो.
बोथ ऑफ यू मदर्स आपने बहुत अच्छा रैपिड फायर राउंड दिया बड़ा मजा आया वेरी क्विक एंड रॉ आंसर्स एंड आपकी लाइफ स्टोरीज सुन के, आपके ओपिनियन सुन के, आई एम श्योर यहाँ पे कोई ना कोई लेडी, कोई ना कोई विमेन ज़रूर इंस्पायर होगी. इवन आई बिलीव कि अगर हमारी बातों से एक भी फैमिली में चेंज आ जाए ना, एक भी मदर की लाइफ अच्छी हो जाए, आई थिंक हमारा पर्पस फुलफिल होता है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द व्यूज और द मनी, एनीथिंग, नो. एक फैमिली में चेंज आएगा ना,
Just to sit and talk about it.
या एक बारी एक भी कोई फादर देख ले, जाए एक बारी मदर के पास, लाइक हाउ आर यू टुडे, आई थिंक द पर्पस इज फुलफिल्ड.
Yes.
है ना.
How was your day? They should actually ask their partner कि क्या हुआ दिन में, क्या रहा बेबी के साथ. Try to connect with your partner more and more.
Read
That
more
will really
about
help.
those partners.
Yes.
Read
उतना
more
भी हो तो
about
I think that
motherhood
is completely
challenges.
sufficient.
Yeah.
So I think this is my life's most amazing Mother's Day spent
Thank
with
you
very
so
amazing
much.
mothers.
Same
Thank
here.
you
Thank
so
you so
much
much.
for
Likewise,
taking
we
out
had
your time.
we enjoyed
Great time
we enjoyed
with
the
you.
conversation.
It was great.
It was so good. Yeah, it was. It was.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you.
us.
Thank you so
Happy
much.
Mother's Day to
Welcome.
all the
Happy
great
Mother's
mommies.
Day.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you for listening. Join us next time as we share more stories of strength. Don't forget to subscribe